Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas lights. We love Christmas lights. And that's my daughter, Jenna, and she loves Christmas lights too, and Christmas music, and everything that has to do with Christmas. So today we are going to show you how this Easy Watt kilowatt meter works. This thing works with anything. We use it for Christmas lights. You can plug it in your home appliances, and what it does, it will tell you how much electricity is coming out here, and you can go down one time and it will tell you how many amps that these Christmas lights are using. So you can actually use this in your house to see how much your refrigerator uses, how much your computer's using. If you are someone that is worried about how much electricity you're using, you can use this anywhere, and it's actually very simple. All you do is take it, plug it into your power source, take your load, plug it right into it, and there you have it. So it's got 113 volts. You go down one, it's drawing 0.2 amps. So LEDs draw nothing for electricity. If these were incandescent, it would be, I can only get 5 strands, and these are like almost an amp, or not quite, no, they're almost like a 0.5 for incandescent. So LEDs do not draw hardly anything. But again, this is called a kilowatt meter. I'll put the description down in below. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 100, so please subscribe, and I will have some more awesome Christmas light videos coming your way. Thank you. Bye.